Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Gusto to sync employee onboarding data. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Gusto account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Select the Integrations tab to see available integrations. Look for the option to sync employee onboarding data. Click on the Authorize button next to the Employee Onboarding Data Sync option. A new window will pop up prompting you to connect an external application if necessary. Follow the prompts on the screen to authorize the connection. You may need to enter your login information for the external application. Once entered, click Authorize or Allow to continue. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Return to the Integrations page to review the connected applications. Verify that the Employee Onboarding Data Sync is enabled. To test the sync, go to the Employees section in Gusto. Add a new employee to see if the data sync works correctly. If successful, the new employee data will appear in the designated application. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting guide in the Help Center. You have now successfully authorized Gusto to sync employee onboarding data. Congratulations on completing this easy tutorial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.